Hey, good morning. My name is Scott, and I'm a patient of Medical Health Institute. And this is a testimony that I'd like to share with you if you're a new patient or considering becoming a patient to take the best care possible of the only body that we receive around our go at life, so to speak. So one of the questions here is, were you skeptical before starting therapy, and what were some of your concerns? Yes, I was skeptical. I was, I was 50 years old, and I was under the impression that, that life was going to go downhill, and, you could only, you're out the prime of your life, etc. And then when I started to talk to Michael and Carlos, just the ideas that they had, and there was an understanding about health and about being the best you can be, and at first I was like, I didn't believe it. I didn't think it could actually happen. And then after conversations and talking with the doctors, and then spending more time with Michael and more time with Carlos, and talking about therapy and protocol, I found out that there was like huge possibilities for me. So yes, I was skeptical, but after the conversations, it was all put into perfect clarity. Next question is, what was your overall experience with Medical Health Institute? Well, this is my favorite. So, I had this conversation with Michael many years ago, 7 years ago. I was given Michael's number. I called him up, and I remember the conversation. This guy on the other line was like full of life, full of energy. It's like I wanted to reach through the phone and just grab him and shake him and say, dude, give me what you got. So my overall experience is like, these guys, Michael, Carlos, his company, are so proactive and so on the cutting edge of all of this stuff that is beneficial for longevity, men's health, and just basic overall well-being of taking care of yourself. I can't say enough. It's just anytime I have a question, about something, oh, I heard of this, and what do you think about this? And these emails and these things that come over, these guys, Michael, they're walking the walk and they're talking the talk. They're not telling you to do it and then they're not doing it. If you've had the opportunity to talk to these guys and see them, these guys are they're living the dream, I would say. And have I ever met him personally? No, but I know these guys. I've spent hours and hours on the telephone, not just talking about business, but just talking about life experience. So when you sign up with them, you get the resources of a powerful team, a brother and brother duo they're gonna lift you, they're gonna guide you, they're gonna carry you when you can't carry yourself. So give them the opportunity, and I think you'll be extremely happy. Okay, so the third question that I'd like to answer is, how quickly did I start to see the results? I think, like I've said before, being 50 years old and working slowly into this, it's not like it happened overnight. But what I did see is I saw a difference in energy levels immediately, sleep habits a lot better, more of a conscious awareness that if I did that, and it wasn't probably, if I didn't, it's like doing all of the wonderful taking the supplements and being really proactive in your therapy is huge, because that's where you start to see the results. But if I know that if I was cheating and so forth and not eating, and then you pay the price. So I started to see results drastically, probably within the first 5 weeks, man. Weight loss and clarity, mental clarity, more physical stamina during the workday, and then plus my time at the gym started to become more whatever activity you do, you'll see that you'll definitely start to your energy levels will be increased. So I'd say it comes very, very quickly. 5 weeks, and I started to see some huge results. Next question was, what made you calm those concerns and take the next steps? Well, for me, taking the next step was because I was fed up. I was not at the best shape of my life. I was, how can I say it? So I'm a chef by trade, very busy schedule, restaurant, catering corporations, extended days on my feet, and I was eating and drinking my way through life. So I was not in the most prime physical well-being that I could as a man. And what made me calm my thoughts and get to see to take the next step is talking with Michael again, and he would say, "Listen, Scott, this is what I want you to do. You know, don't look ahead. 3 to 4 weeks. Let's stay right here today." And being here, stay today is it took you a long time to get here. It's going to take you a little time to get out. So it was a commitment on my part to make the commitment and say, okay, we're going to get through it. We're going to do it, and you're not going to give up. And as soon as I made that commitment, yeah, there were some tough days. And saying tough because changing your lifestyle to you can't do a drastic change and just kick in. It's little things that you have to do. It's small steps on a daily basis, and then you start to see the big results. So for me, that calmed my concerns for me to being able to take the next step. Okay, so the next question is, what would you say to someone considering hormone or peptide therapy? I would say this, get on it, get going. If you're inquiring already with Medical Health Institute, then there's probably something that's yanking on you, reckoning, saying, hey, it's time to make a lifestyle change. I would definitely recommend it, man. Quality of life. I'm in the best physical shape of myself. I'm 57 years old now. And when I started this program, I was like 244, 45 pounds. Just, I'm 6'1", and I was kind of like a broken man. Now I'm 206 pounds, strong, feeling good, living well, and really, really enjoying it. So this short video clip doesn't even scrape the surface of how much better things can be. So get on it, and things will change. That's if anybody's considering it, talk to Michael, talk to Carlos, and what do you got to lose? That's the only thing. You'll have nothing to lose except weight, and all of the things that you're trying to change your life, those will go away. But that's my thoughts on that.